Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in today's tutorial I will show you how to add subtitles in Davinci Resolve. So it's very simple. Go over here to effects and then type here in this search box subtitles, and as you can see subtitle effect will appear. Drag and drop it on your timeline, and now as you can see this subtitle is here. So then basically choose what you want to type in your subtitle.
Very few of us know about the wars fought in the shadows.
So type your text and then time it. So let's say here she starts saying, so I will match the length.
Very few of us know about the wars.
She starts saying about right here, so I will cut it, then press Option and drag and drop to copy your clip again, your subtitle, and then just simply type
Very few of us know about the wars fought in the shadows.
So she's saying till now, so I will drag it longer.
Very few of us know about the wars fought in the shadows.
So this is how simple it is to add subtitle, guys. You just manually have to add it like boom boom boom, and there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.